You won't believe it, 2024 Toyota Tacomas are finally shipping. Well, kind of. Let's talk about it. So over on Tacoma 4G, I will leave the link to their forum in the description. We got this photo yesterday. So this is a transporter that was spied by a Texas rail yard carrying a mix of 2024 Tacomas on its way to the Gulf States Toyota distributors in Houston, Texas. That is where they will get their window stickers ultimately before going to their dealerships that have allocated these Toyotas. We can see behind this Peterbilt that there are some Tundras back there. But aside from the Tundras in the background, we can tell what we have on this truck. So it looks like we have an underground TRD off-road and also a white TRD off-road. We can see that because of the fender flares that they have, a couple SR5s and a couple TRD Sports with their hood scoops right there on the front. So most likely this is in America, which is a good sign. I have one more video from a Instagram follower, JM. He actually lives in Mexico and he got this for us. So this is just him driving on some highway in Mexico, and we have a trailer full of fourth generation Toyota Tacoma. So everything seems fine and dandy, right? So where the heck is John's Tacoma that was supposed to be built back on the 15th? Well, Jace, my buddy, his was supposed to be built around the same time, guys, and he is not having luck. So before I get into his message from his dealership, keep in mind this may not be 100% true because of some of the stuff they say, but nonetheless, it is something to consider. So they said, looking to see that he now has an updated build date of February 6th, so almost a month after his was supposed to be built. They say, now I know that this could not be the exact reason for 100%, but I have heard from a coworker, typical telephone game, we never know, that the EPA has not come to an agreement yet with Toyota for the exact MPG these new Tacomas are supposed to have. Not only that, but he's also saying the ones that they have built, they're not able to move them away from the factories, so it's kind of building up this little bottleneck, but we know that's not true, and I'm not sure when this information was given to this salesperson because there are trucks already in America, and also because there's trucks with trailers of these Tacomas going down highways in Mexico, which means they are moving them from the factory locations, which is nice. This does coincide with what TFL talked about, saying that there's no official EPA numbers yet. However, an individual does have a window sticker that he shared over on our 4th Gen Tacoma owners page that does have EPA numbers. Now, I'm not sure if that's just kind of skewed and a placeholder and if they're not official yet, but we do have EPA numbers on a window sticker. And when I asked Toyota, I asked them a couple things, but haven't gotten official statements yet just before making this video, but I wanted to let you guys know that these trucks are coming. No official statement yet as to if EPA is truly an issue right now. I mean, we don't know yet. Maybe they just haven't filed their stuff yet, or also if there is a part shortage for certain things. My truck is a fully built TRD off-road, all the way to the gills with everything with it, and I thought that that would be a smart idea because Toyota, that's a very high volume type of truck, so I figured, hey, let's go with that one and be one of the first, right? So maybe there is a part shortage or an issue with my truck. Not 100% sure yet because I didn't get an official statement. So with my new build date potentially being like Jace's in March, I have a question for you guys, and let me know down in the comment section. Because do we just say screw it and just don't even go with the normal I-Force and potentially wait an extra month into April? Toyota said the hybrids were supposed to be around spring timeframe. Do we just get a hybrid now at this point? Or are those potentially delayed and we don't even know yet, right? Or do we try to find another truck? I know that there's a bunch of trucks that are allocated already. It'll be really hard to find one right now, I think, that's not claimed with all these dealerships already getting allocations and stuff because trucks are moving, right? There have been some that have been built, but there does seem like a pause. Or just wait it out for the one that is already supposed to be coming in, the one that I've talked about so much, and just be patient because at the end of the day, if there's a big government thing that is holding all these trucks back, then all of them are held back, right? So there's really no point to be making like all these moves if all these trucks are potentially held back. So those are the questions. If hybrids are still going to be around late March into April, May timeframe, when that's typically when spring is, I don't know. Maybe just wait for like a TRD Pro or something like that. But spring could be fully end of May into June because I don't think summer starts until like June 26th or something like that. So guys, let me know down in the comments section, but I just wanted to get this video out for you guys right now showing that these trucks are on the move. So that at least is super, super exciting. It does stink if there's something that is, really throttling Toyota back and bottlenecking them in this whole process, whether it be government stuff or part shortage stuff, because I just want to see these trucks on the road. I want to hear owners' experiences and what you guys actually think about the truck. And I want to start seeing these things freaking built up, man. I really want to start seeing them built up in real world uses. So let me know down in the comments what y'all think, and I will catch you in the next one. All right, see you later.